Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to guide you how to use components from one-click library. First, it's a blank frame. Left-click on it and then bring it to SketchUp. Left-click to place it. Then we can use properties or other tools to adjust it. For example, add one top sheet, bottom sheet, right and left sheet. Next is a cabinet. Do the same, left click on it and then bring it out. For cabinets or frames, we can add another frame or another panel into that frame. For example, add this cabinet to this section. When you move the mouse to this section, a yellow shape line shows up. Left click and the frame or the panel will fit in automatically. To select the whole frame, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard and left click. Next, a door for example. Left click, it will fit in. Or half joint. Adjust it as your wish. This is just a demonstration for how to add a component. Next, a vertical panel. Select it and move it to the section. And use other tools to adjust it. To delete a frame inside another frame, select the tool Remove Subframe and left-click on the frame to remove it. To delete a panel, select Remove Sheet and left-click on the panel. This is how we add a component from the library or remove it. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos.